Established in 1982, the first management college in Odisha, the Regional College of Management, Bhubaneswar, has been striving to offer an all-rounded extensive educational program to its students.
Our motto of the institute is passion for innovative education. We have passion for education, and not only education but innovative education, like providing ethical training, social training, so that we build leaders for tomorrow to head the business organization, social organization and society by large.
The Regional College of Management believes in creating young visionaries who are ready to face global challenges and take India to the next level. And a highly efficient placement system has been set in place in order to actualize that vision.
Most of the large companies in this country, they come for campus recruitment. We have in FFCG companies, we have bankings, we have core financial jobs, derivatives, and in these places we do this. Our placement is almost 100%, leaving aside about 20% people who are going for entrepreneurship, family business and individual business. And we do help them also for entrepreneurship, entrepreneurs for going for businesses by suggesting them and helping them after the course is over also.
A thoroughly well-bred faculty provides the students with the opportunity to learn from the very best and also enhance their own skills to achieve and sustain excellent quality across all subjects. Giving hands-on training and real-world exposure is the key to growing into excellent management professionals. At RCM, students are urged to develop the necessary skills to become professionally sound and socially responsible leaders.
We give them a virtual cash of 15 lakhs and how they manage their portfolio. So it was a workshop, it was not exactly a workshop, it was introduced as a workshop and it was prolonged for 10 days, how they manage their fund and how much they gain, and there was a ranking of first, second, third, like that. So this gives them the real field, market mein, how you trade, how you manage the portfolio. So this type of real skill and exposure is very important for the students in today's world.
To help the students be industry ready, just an MBA course does not make them employable. So to make them industry ready, we send them for industry visits very often. Also, our students feel lucky to to interact with corporate leaders and industry leaders and CEOs from the corporate world.
The students at RCM involve themselves in the curriculum thoroughly and make the course structure a way of life, be it theoretical know-how or practical knowledge. The institute enables the students to grasp all concepts and broaden their horizon.
The learning experience at RCM is like a sapling growing into a tree. Day by day, I am learning new things. In these 2 years, I have seen myself grow here. I have become much more confident, eloquent. I can talk to people, I can present myself in front of people, and I have become a new person as a whole.
And the most important part is we came here as a stone, untouched, and by the shapers whom we called as professors or teachers or people who have shaped our life and turned this stone, the shapeless stone, into shape of leader.
RCM aims to provide quality education to students and inculcate within them a passion for knowledge and learning, to create globally competitive future managers who will march forth with confidence with a vision to better the world.